LMNOP, LMNOPQRST, UVWXYZ. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hello kids! Today we will learn A to Z alphabets with words, colors and shapes. Ready? Let's go. A letter A. A for apple. Apple means shape. Look kids, the color of apple is red. Letter B. B for ball. Ball means game. Ball is round. Letter C. C for cat. Cat means billy. Cat is gray in color. Letter D. D for dog. Dog means kutta. Dog is brown. Letter E. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. Elephant is big. Letter F. F for fish. Fish means machli. Fish is blue in color. Wait kids. पहले अपने रूम में रेड कलर की कोई चीज ढूंढो. मैं भी अपने रूम में ढूंढती हूँ. Ready? Go. Here we are. A letter G. G for grapes. Grapes mean angoor. Grapes are purple. Letter H. H for hen. Hen means murgi. Hen is white. Ice cream. A letter I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. Ice cream is pink. Letter J. J for jug. Jug is rectangle shape. Look, a rectangle shape. Letter K. K for kite. Kite means patang. Kite is diamond shape. Letter L. L for line. Line means shade. Line is yellow. Okay kids, अब एक फन एक्टिविटी करते हैं. सब शेर की आवाज निकालो. वाह. Letter M. M for mango. Mango means आम. Mango is yellow. N. Letter N. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. Nest is brown. Letter O. O for orange. Orange means Malta. Orange is round in shape. Letter P. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Parrot is green in color. Letter Q. Q for queen. Queen means Malka. Queen has a crown. Letter R. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. Rabbit is white. Wait. अब सब बच्चे क्लैप करो और साथ बोलो नाउटी. A, B, C, D. Say A, B, C, D. Letter S. S for sun. Sun means Suraj. The sun is yellow in color. Letter T. T for tree. Tree means darakht. Tree is green. Letter U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. Umbrella has many colors. Letter V. V for van. Van means gaadi. Van is rectangle shape. Letter W. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. Watch is round. Letter X. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Xylophone is colorful, has many colors. Letter Y. Y for York. York means jungly bale. York is black in color. Letter C. C for zebra. Zebra is black and white. Great job kids, सब मिलकर बोलो A for apple, C for zebra. Very good, well done. Well done kids.